Today I'm changing both VVT solenoids on the Kia Forte. Do not mix them up. You can tell the difference between them based on the back plug. We're going to get started. This is what I'm using. This is a T30 star bit. Here's a 10mm. This is for the rear. This is for the front. You will need an extender to reach the bolt in the front. You can see it under there. You just gotta get it aligned properly. And then that's alright. It's actually already loose. Always have a magnet handy. You're probably gonna drop the bolt. You can see it there. Got it. Unplug the sensor. Next you want to take this off, just the front, and then you could tuck it. That way you have a little more room. Since we're replacing the sensor and we're not putting it back in, I recommend using this, which is a vice grip, to help wiggle it, to pull it out. You don't have to use all that much force. It does slide out, but it's easier than doing it by hand. I forgot to mention, before removing this, so you have enough leverage, you need to remove this little bolt so you can pull it up out. And this is part of the bracket that holds that hose up that I had you remove earlier. Alright. There's a new solenoid. There's the old one. Very careful. You don't have to use that much force. Kind of jig it, get it in there. Alright, now you just gotta tighten it up. After getting the new solenoid in, remember to put this bolt back in this side. That piece right there, that side bracket. And get it plugged back up. That side bolts back in. Now I gotta get the hose back on there. There we go. Alright, the front's done. I'm gonna get to the rear. First step back here is to unplug it. Alright. Next is to get that bolt loose. You're gonna have to pry a little bit with your hand, twist. Oh, got it. Alright, I'm gonna put the new one in. There you go. There we are. Alright, that's how you change the VVT solenoids on a Kia Forte. Now, one last thing is that these parts are very, very affordable, and they come in pairs usually. I recommend changing both if you have to change one. Alright, that's it.